Welcome to the Money Meditation. I am Dr. Yogesh Daudkhane, NLP trainer and coach. Today we are going to do a wonderful meditation for money. As you all know, whenever we do meditation, the best way is to sit in a straight position. So I want you all to sit in a straight position. Make sure that your back is in straight line and you're not lying down. And as you are sitting in a straight position, automatically you would observe that your breathing is becoming deeper. And as you are having a deeper breathing, I want you to slowly close your eyes. Slowly close your eyes and continue breathing deeper and deeper. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Have a deep breathing for at least 5 times. Have a deep breathing for at least 5 times and make sure that with every breathe out, your body is becoming more and more relaxed. With every breathe out, your body is becoming more and more relaxed. As you are breathing in, imagine that you are breathing in energy and power. You may imagine a white light as a symbol of energy and power, and imagine you are breathing in that white light and your body is becoming more and more energetic. As you breathe out, imagine that all the negativity, all the doubts are going out from your body. All the negativity, all the doubts are going out from your body. You may want to give it a color, maybe a black color also. Imagine that all those doubts and negativity, they are going out from your body. And as you breathe in, you are breathing in the white light, the energy. Our body is made up of trillions of cells. Imagine that your white light and energy is going to all those trillions of cells in the body. All these cells are waiting for you. All these cells are waiting for your command. The moment you give them any specific command, they are ready to execute. Whatever command you give them, they are ready to execute. And your commands are nothing but your own thoughts. Your commands are nothing but your own thoughts. Continue breathing in and breathing out deeper and deeper. Now place attention between both the ears. Place your attention between both the ears and listen to the statement which I am saying and say that statement aloud. The statement goes like this. Imagine that you are saying that statement aloud. You physically don't have to say it. You are simply visualizing that you are saying that statement aloud and you are going to listen to your own voice. The statement is, I am becoming richer. Make sure that you are listening to this particular statement in your mind. I am getting rich every day. Say it with conviction. I am getting rich every day. Don't have any doubt, don't have any other thought. With conviction, simply say this. That is the command which you are giving to your trillions of cells in the body. I am getting rich every day. Imagine that there is an echo which is happening all over your head. I am getting rich every day. Imagine your eyes are saying, I am getting rich every day. See and feel that the voice is coming from that part of the body. Your forehead is saying, I am getting rich every day. Your ears are saying, I am getting rich every day. Your mouth is saying, I am getting rich every day. See, a voice is coming from your throat saying, I am getting rich every day. Both the shoulders are saying, I am getting rich every day. Imagine that the voice is coming within your body from all those parts I am saying. Your chest is saying, I am getting rich every day. See the voice coming from your stomach saying, I am getting rich every day. I am becoming money magnet. All your body is saying the same thing. I am becoming a money magnet now. Listen to that statement from your eyes. Let that statement go down to your lips. Let that statement go down to your throat. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let that statement go down to your chest. I am becoming a money magnet now. You are going to say it with conviction. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let this voice come from your stomach. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let that voice come from your back, upper back and lower back. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let this come from both the hands. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let this come from your thighs. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let this come from your knees. I am becoming a money magnet now. Let this statement come from your legs. Trillions of cells in your body are saying, I am becoming a money magnet now. I am getting rich every day. I am getting rich every day. I am becoming a money magnet now. Imagine both the statements are there and your entire body is shouting out loud both the statements. And all the parts of your body are singing and dancing and enjoying that you are becoming rich. You are becoming a money magnet. Now on your mental screen, visualize your life. If you get the money in the world, whatever you wanted, how your life would be. Create a wonderful picture, the life you want. Which car will you drive? What would be your area of residence? Will it be a 3 BHK or a 5 BHK or an independent bungalow? See that. Whatever you are going to see today, that is the command for your subconscious. See the smiling faces of your family members. Because you are making lot of money, you could give them whatever they wanted. A better education for your kids. Maybe a world tour for your parents. Maybe a healthy and wealthy life for yourself, for your spouse. Imagine you are driving your dream car and you are going to your bank. Imagine the bank manager himself is welcoming you because you are a prime client. Enter into the bank manager's cabin. He is offering you a cup of coffee. enjoy the cup of coffee sitting with your bank manager. And as you are enjoying a cup of coffee sitting with your bank manager, listen from your bank manager, and the statement is, you are financially free. Listen from your bank manager. He is saying, sir or madam, you are financially free. What a wonderful feeling it would be. He is looking at your account and saying you are financially free. You have got X amount in your account. Put the amount whatever you wanted. Enjoy the moment in the bank. Imagine you are sitting at some wonderful location, maybe a beach, maybe a mountain. You are financially free. You are enjoying your life. How great feeling it would be. And as you see yourself body are shouting, money is coming quickly and easily to me. Imagine words in your ears. And imagine your heart is saying, I am getting rich every day. The moment your heart is beating, it is saying, I am getting rich every day. And the same statement is going to the entire body. With the blood, heart is throwing out, heart is also throwing out the statement, I am getting rich every day. And with the blood, that statement is reaching to all the parts of your body. And it is happening on continuous basis. Feel the feeling of your heart. Your heart is beating and saying, I am getting rich every day. Your heart is beating and saying, I am a money magnet now. Your heart is saying, I am enjoying a financial freedom. Your heart is saying, money is coming quickly and easily to me. And finally, your heart is also giving you permission to become a rich person. See those wonderful faces of your family members. How great it would be if you could give them their dream life. Their dream life could be anything. They want to see the world, they want to get education in best of the schools, or they want to travel, they want to spend without thinking about the money. Whatever is the dream of your family members, see it is getting fulfilled. And you are the key instrument in that. Feel the feeling in your body, how great it would be when your family members are smiling and looking at you and saying, because of you only, I could see this. Because of you only, I could enjoy a ride in Mercedes. Because of you only, I could visit so many countries. Imagine your heart is giving you full permission to make more money. Imagine your body is ready to give all the resources to make more money. Say thank you to your heart. It is beating 24/7. And remember, with every beat of the heart, it is saying, I am getting rich every day. With every beat of the heart, it is saying, money is quickly and easily coming to me. And you are just enjoying. Say thank you to your heart, and feel the feeling of gratitude. Be thankful for whatever you have in your life right now. Be thankful. And on count of 5, I want you to slowly open your eyes. 1, take your own time and slowly you will be opening your eyes. 2, 3, be aware, be aware. 4, and 5, open your eyes, take your own time, open your eyes, take your own time. Thank you for your wonderful participation.